In this video, we are going to discuss about standard access list and also about the number range of the standard access list when compared with the extended access list. So coming to standard access list are the oldest type of access list and are back as early as the Cisco IOS software release 8.3. So presently the Cisco IOS release is 12.1 and now it is 8.3. From 8.3 release itself, the standard access lists are available for us. So standard access list control traffic by using the source address of the packets and address configured in the access list. That means the source will be the source packets will be having a tag, the hashtag with the source IP address and destination IP address. So that packet hashtag information will be matched with the IP address in the access list and it will perform its action by permitting or denying. This is about the standard access list, and in all software releases the access list of the standard access list will be having the range from 1 to 99, but in Cisco the software release of 12.0.1 latest version, the IP access list began using additional numbers from 1300 to 1999. So this is like we have a range now, that is 1 to 99, and also the extended range is from 1300 to 1999. So we'll just check the differences between the standard access list and the extended access list by comparing the number range. So if you see here the access list type and the number range, the first one is IP standard access list is ranging from 1 to 99, and the extended version in the release 12.0.1 of the Cisco IOS, you see IP standard access list expanded range is 1300 to 1999. So coming with the IP extended access list is from 100 to 199, and the expanded range is 2000 to 2699. So this is about the differentiation, and you can differentiate between this standard and extended access list in the numbered format simply by looking at the access list number range, and also based on the number used when access list is created, then you can differentiate between extended access list and standard access list. So this is about the standard access list and the number ranges it have, and we will be discussing about the named access list and numbered access list in the standard access list in the next videos.